Okay, these are the materials. Now we are going to open the hole for our material. Here is the backer piece, so we have to open the holes like this. And then we put the backer piece like that. Okay. And we're gonna mount it like this here, and then go like that, and after that we are just gonna click. It clicked with the hand. Okay, clicked. And now soft surface, and we are just gonna bang it from the backwards. Okay, so something like this. Here also. Slowly but many times. If you have a rivet press, of course you don't need to do this method. And it will be much more professional if with the rivet press. Here. I think we need more to make it more secure.